Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy and low miles, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Take a ride in 2012 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, FWD, wheel covers, headlights auto off, mirror memory, remote trunk release, security system, cruise control. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.